Paying for dropshipping orders involves coordinating payments between customers, you as the dropshipper, and the supplier. Customer payment. When a customer places an order on your online store, they pay you directly through the payment methods available on your website, such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, or other online payment gateways. Order processing. Once the order is received and payment is confirmed, as a dropshipper, you forward the order and payment details to your supplier or manufacturer. Supplier payment. Use the funds received from the customer to pay the supplier for the product and its shipping costs. The payment method to the supplier depends on your arrangement, commonly via credit card, bank transfer, or an online payment platform. Shipping information. Provide the supplier with the customer's shipping details for order fulfillment. Supplier fulfillment. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer using the provided shipping information. Tracking and customer communication. Share the shipment tracking details with the customer and maintain communication to ensure smooth delivery and resolve any potential issues.